Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A51 and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down, select apps over here and click on those three dots at the top right corner over here. Select permission manager, wait a bit and pick one of those features, like location. Then select one of your apps, for example photos, and select one of the options, allow only while using the app, ask every time or deny. I will go with allow only while using the app, so when I go back I can set photos, gain access to my device location while I'm using this app. But you can also click on one of your apps, select see all Google permissions over here and manage them from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!